Welcome to Investors Insights. Our topic today is Politics Never Sleeps. We had a lot going on Friday, a lot of news, economics taking place, emotion in the market. Trey, when we came in this morning and started talking, you brought up the great line that we're using as our topic today, Politics Never Sleeps. You want to elaborate on that in relation to the market?
Yeah, we really saw a large pull down in the market on Friday, and it kind of got worse as the day went on. And it was worse than really the news should have indicated.
Right.
And one of the reasons possibly for that is that politics doesn't sleep. Most times the market goes up or down based on corporate news or economic news, and that happens 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. Politics does not. Especially recent politics. Over the weekend, a lot can happen. And so if you're a short-term investor or a trader, a big trader on Wall Street, you don't want to be overexposed going into a weekend when you don't know what could happen.
Right.
So most times, all right, between Friday's closed and Monday's open, not much is going to happen. But not these days with politics. So with that much risk, we saw a lot of people just kind of going to cash and taking some risk off the table. Not really because the news was that bad, but because the unknown of what could happen between close and open was maybe exacerbated the pull down in the market. And so if it seems extreme, it may be because people are trying to get out while they don't know what's going to happen.
Absolutely, but trading was light.
It's very light.
On Friday, but the emotion was there. And I like the word you use, pull back. From a client standpoint, they see the news and the volatility and things going down. That's they have concerns about that. And in case in point, like Steve Mnuchin last week said, yes, we could wind up in a trade war with China. Well, those kind of one-sentence phrases can cause emotion in the markets and a knee-jerk reaction depending on investors. That said, we know that some of the main topics right now that people are focused on are that technology companies, technology stocks, will they continue to be able to grow? Are they going to come under more regulation? Are they going to, their earnings start to decline? The Trump administration, and their protectionism, which ties into China, trade wars or tariffs. And then also from the standpoint, will the Fed continue to raise interest rates, and will they raise them too quickly? But the real theme right now that's causing a lot of emotion is in regards to China. Right. And Bobby, you had a lot of information on that. So talk about that.
So trade war talk continued, the back and forth continued last week. And so here's some interesting numbers. We ship $130 billion to China in goods. China ships us $505 billion. So the list is a lot longer for the U.S. to put tariffs on.
Right.
And so there's a lot, it's in our favor. What's not in our favor is politics. So we've got the midterm election coming up. China's president, he said he can do whatever he wants to for a while.
Yeah.
But with our midterm elections coming up, politics plays a big role in the volatility. And so, but we do have what we think and we hope is going to be some relief. Earnings season kicks off this week. NAFTA talks, trade with Mexico and Canada is really progressing a lot further than we expected it to. And so those talks continue this weekend. So there is some good news, hopefully, that can drown out the noise from this continued trade war talk.
Yeah, so some real data
exactly
take the place of all these rumors.
Facts.
Absolutely. A lot of the things that I mentioned earlier in this vlog, the 4 items, haven't really taken place yet. It's just all in anticipation, which creates anxiety and creates emotion in the markets. So you're absolutely right about that. So on that note, we want you to understand that we're going to be watching things very closely. It is going to be another week of volatility. We're going to keep you updated. We appreciate you having us in your home, in your office, wherever you're watching this vlog. Please know that we want to keep in touch, provide you information that's beneficial on things that could impact your portfolio, as well as how we navigate through them. So have a great week. Talk to you soon.